Hey guys, how's it going? Trevor at Mogers Models here. Just wanted to give my entry into the big rig build put on by Jeff and Thomas. So this is what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be doing the Kenworth W900. Done a little research, and by the looks of it, this kit's anywhere between like a 73 and an 81. And on this kit, I'm going to be going a little bit more detailed. I think I want to run injector lines on the engine. I want to run air brake lines, the trailer lines as well. So just off the top of my head, probably going to be stripping some of this chrome off as well. For example, the fuel tanks are actually made out of aluminum, so they're not quite as shiny as chrome. So I'd like to strip that down and, try to make it a little bit more realistic. Haven't decided exactly what kind of paint scheme I want to do yet, but I'm sure as I get going, that'll come to me. So, like I said, official entry into the big rig build. I'd like to thank Thomas and Jeff for putting this on. And we'll see you guys around soon. Have a good day.